Hi guys, welcome to another section of Learning with Prep Class. I am Usman Nuruddin, a Prep Class tutor, and today I'll be guiding you on how to solve questions in mathematics examination. And in this video, we are going to be looking into Ugo C Ugo Mathematics Past Question, Paper 1 Test A. So guys, I hope you've seen our previous videos on how we solved questions from Ugo C Ugo Mathematics Past Question for questions 1 to 10. In this video, we are going to solve further by picking questions 11 to 15. So guys, let's begin today's work. Don't forget to like and comment on this video, and also remember to subscribe and turn on the post notification so as to get notified whenever we put up a video on our channel. So now guys, let's solve today's questions. Questions 11 to 15. Question 11. Which month has the least amount of rainfall? A. March, B. June, C. July, D. August, E. December. We are going to use this graph to answer the question. From the graph, we have January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. This is the amount of rainfall for each month. So we have to pick the month with the least amount of rainfall. Now looking at the graph, the month with the least amount of rainfall is December, because from here December is not having rainfall at all. So the least amount of rainfall is December. Therefore, the month with the least amount of rainfall is December. And the correct option is option E, December. Looking at the graph, it was very easy to pick our answer. So now we move to the next question, question number 12. What is the volume of a cylindrical tank whose base area is 27 square meter and depth is 12 meter? A. 324 cubic meter, B. 224 cubic meter, C. 124 cubic meter, D. 34 cubic meter, E. 2 raised to the power of 1 over 3 cubic meter. To solve this, the volume of a cylinder is pi r square h. Now from the question, we are given the base area to be 27 square meter and the depth as 12 meter. Now the area of a cylinder, that is the base area, is given as pi r square. Hence, volume of cylinder equals to base area of cylinder times the height, which is the depth. So therefore, we have the volume of cylinder equals 27 meters square, which is the base area, times the depth, which is the height, 12 meter. When we multiply 27 by 12, we are going to get 324. Now, if you multiply meter square by meter, we are going to be getting meter cube, which is the same thing as saying cubic meter. So this means that the volume of the cylinder is 324 cubic meter. The correct option is option A, 324 cubic meter. You see how easy it is to solve questions. Now, one thing you need to know is you must understand and know the formulas for a particular topic in mathematics. For this question, we are dealing with cylinder, and there's a formula for cylinder. We have the volume, we have the area. So looking at the volume is pi r square h, and the base area is given as pi r square. So using the formula, we are able to get the volume of the cylinder. Question number 13. How long will a man take to cover a distance of 7 kilometers by walking 4 kilometers per hour? A. 1 hour 35 minutes, B. 1 hour 45 minutes, C. less than 1 hour, D. exactly 1 hour, E. more than 2 hours. Now from the question, we have the distance to be 7 kilometers and the speed, which is 4 kilometers per hour. We need to find time. Remember, speed equals distance over time. So we have distance equals to 7 kilometers and the speed is given as 4 kilometers per hour. So we need to find the time, which is unknown. Now speed equals distance over time. This is the formula we are going to use to solve for time. What is the value for speed? We have 4 equals distance 7 over time. So if you cross multiply here, we have 4 multiplied by time equals 7. Divide both sides by 4. We have 4 times time over 4 equals 7 over 4. 4 cancels 4. Time equals 7 over 4, which is the same as saying one whole number 3 over 4. Now 1 here is representing hour. 3 over 4 hours is the same as saying 3 over 4 multiplied by 60 minutes. That is, we divide 4 here 1, 4 in 60, that is 15. So 3 times 15 is 45. So we have 1 hour 45 minutes. To be the time taken for a man to cover a distance of 7 kilometers by walking 4 kilometers per hour. So the correct option is option B, 1 hour 45 minutes. Now guys, let's move to the next question, question number 14. A plane takes off from Lagos at 10:30 a.m. It flies to Accra in 65 minutes, makes a stop of 40 minutes at Accra Airport, and then flies back to Lagos in 70 minutes. At what time does it land again in Lagos Airport? A. 12:05 p.m. B. 12:55 p.m. C. 1:05 p.m. D. 1:25 p.m. E. 1:35 p.m. Now, the plane takes off from Lagos at 10:30 a.m. It flies to Accra in 65 minutes, makes a stop of 40 minutes at Accra Airport, and then flies back to Lagos in 70 minutes. Now let's calculate the total time spent for the plane to move from Lagos to Accra, then making the stop and coming back to Lagos. So we have 65 minutes, which is the time taken to fly to Accra, then plus 40 minutes, which is the time spent to make a stop, then 70 minutes, which is the time spent returning back to Lagos. So we have 65 plus 40, that is 105, plus 70, we have 175. So this means that the total time spent is 2 hours 55 minutes. That is, for every 60 minutes, which is 1 hour, 60 plus 60, that is 120. If you bring out 120 from 175, we are going to have 55 left. So 120 minutes is 2 hours. So we have 2 hours 55 minutes. So that is the total time spent. We need to find the exact time the plane returned back in Lagos Airport. So we have to add 2 hours to the actual time the plane took off from Lagos Airport. So the plane left Lagos Airport at 10:30 a.m. and it spent 2 hours for a journey to Accra and back to Lagos. So we have to add 30 plus 55, that is 85. 85 minutes is the same as saying 1 hour 25 minutes. So we write down the minute, which is 25. We carry the hour. 1 hour plus 10, that is 11 hours. 11 hours plus 2, that is 13. So we have 13 hours 25 minutes. So on a work clock, 13th hour is the same as saying 1. Therefore, we have 1:25. Because we have 13 here, it means it is in the PM. So we have 1:25 p.m., which is the time the plane landed back in Lagos Airport. The correct option is option D, 1:25 p.m. So looking at the last question for this video, Jones, Ito, and Ekpo shared a number of mangoes. Jones had 1/5 of them, and Ito had 2/3. What fraction of them did Ekpo get? A. 3/15, B. 4/15, C. 2/15, D. 1/3, E. 20. Now, for fractions, since a particular number of mangoes is shared, it means the total fraction is going to be 1. So therefore, Jones' share is 1/5. Ito's share is 2/3. We need to find Ekpo's share. So we have that to be X. So since the total fraction is 1, therefore if we add all these fractions together, we must get 1. So we have 1 equals 1/5 plus 2/3 plus X. We need to combine these fractions together, 1/5 plus 2/3. So we are going to do this by looking for the LCM of 5 and 3. And the LCM is 15. So if you check, how many 5 can we see in 15? That is 3. 3 times 1 is 3. Plus, how many 3 can we see in 15? 5. 5 times 2 is 10. So we have 3 plus 10/15 plus X. So we have 1 equals 3 plus 10. That is 13/15 plus X. X is the same as saying X/1. So we have 1 equals, we've combined these two fractions again. The LCM is going to be 15. So we have 1 equals, how many 15 can we see in 15? 1. 1 times 13 will give us 13. Plus, how many 1 can we see in 15? 15 times X will give us 15X. So here we cross multiply. When we cross multiply 15, we multiply 1 to give us 15. then we have 13 plus 15x. The next thing is to collect like terms. So we have 15 minus 13 equals 15x. 15 minus 13 is 2, which is equals to 15x. Now what do we do now? We divide both sides by 15. Dividing both sides by 15, we have 2 over 15 equals 15x over 15. So here 15 here 1, 15 here 1. So we have x equals 2 over 15. And the correct option is option C, 2 over 15. That is it. That is how you solve questions. So guys, we have come to the end of today's section. I hope you're able to learn something new today. Kindly remember to subscribe to our channel, and you can also join us on WhatsApp to get access to all our tutors. You will also get the opportunity to attend our quizzes. So guys, we'll see you again in the next video.